That's the barracuda, right vibes, boss?
Yeah, it's that, but not the typical big one that we use. So sometimes we have to just give them a break, you see?
Yeah, man.
And sometimes we like the excitement when they come in big lag like the gun. So the gun long.
Yeah, man.
I hate, man. But this one, nice.
No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. You know I'm
Yes, my people. I want to say a big happy Monday morning to you all, my peeps. Yeah, man. Bright Monday morning, ocean. So, yeah, my peeps. Out here another morning, my peeps. Yes, my people. Give a thanks to life. I want to say, continue to support the movements, my people. Watch the ads. That is it, my peeps. So, you know. Small is another fishing morning, guys. So basically, see we on the seafront. We are going to head out there shortly. Guys, Captain Spear, I walk down the line. Omar, yeah, so me, myself, my people. So one journey, another morning out there, go see what can be done, my peeps. Yeah, man. So I want to say, just stick and stay with this epic catch, my people. So forward back in. Let me shot him good. He get there, man. He get there. Yo, you see this morning when you see we start down there, sir? I want big old mutton stuff find a boy. I made up spear him, you know. But spear him bad, man. I needed the flesh and tear off up. But I will big it up. People, back out there water now, my people, that lovely catch, you know, guys. Yeah, man. I love that catch, you see, man. Yeah, man, it's a lovely catch. Yeah, now, captain forward back. Omar no forward out there water, you for peeps, but you don't know. Yeah, man. Punk man still out there as well. So, like I say, I'm captain forward, so I'm going to show you the catch, my peeps, you know. Yeah, man. Find a lovely mutton snapper. Find 2 trigger fish. Find a chub. Parrot. Buck. And a 5-pound barracuda. Yeah, man. So you see it, my peeps. It's a lovely catch. Yeah, man. I'm finding a small jack same way. Lion fish. And it a skinners same way, you know. Turbid same way. Yeah, man, there with the vibes master, you know.
People, one more time again, you know, brother. Hey,
yeah, man.
Check out the special edition. This one is special edition.
See it? Yeah, man.
Everything, so
I vibes boss, man, you know.
Up and running. I turn about to the world Odane spearfishing.
They say King is back.
King is back. And in fact, you know, long when I see one of them, yeah.
Yeah, man. See it?
I hate, man.
Lovely catch, me peeps. So, yeah, my people. We are going to get them clean up and thing, you know. Yeah, man, they don't know I'm getting there ready to help me do the do. So, we can able to get some lovely clip peeps. Yeah, man, so we are going to get them clean up now, guys. Yeah, man, and stay up on the seafront. Don't come back as yet, I just see. Don't come back too. First time we could have stand up, we could have reached the right castle. Right up right that's where the sun was today. You know? Yeah, man, so rough sea take away all of the sun with people, we still out there, you know? So we are going to do and get them clean up now, guys, you know? Yeah, man, so you know we have to clean up the area, you know. So we got to work, you know. Clean up the area. Yeah, man, I say vibe boss got to work, man.
Yeah, cleanliness is next to godliness.
Yeah,
so
man.
We get fish fresh and clean.
That is it. Yeah, man. Omar just forward in my peeps.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah. Where's the go ahead?
And skin fish.
You see a miss?
We miss 5 bar this man.
Hey, alright, my peeps. This is Omar catch, you know? Omar catch this. You find a lovely skin fish and a small snapper. Yeah, man. See, these we get them clean up, you know. You are going to tight chop. Yeah man, get him clean up.
Well clean and proper.
Neat.
Snapper.
Mutton snapper.
Everything there along there, see. You want to see horse? Order.
Push the rod in the mouth and pop it.
That's why
I don't know he comes so close.
Yeah man.
You see him going ground for me, I say no? And him blind him. Can we blind him? If you lucky, yes, because he barely cut it.
Yeah man, Omar, I say skinfish bite him. Sure, say me can get that when same bite you. See there now my peeps. Right, just saying bite him, you know, lucky.
I don't know.
You want cut, watch it, boy, let the skinfish with mouth. You want cut out their mouth like come me cut out their mouth, man, watch.
Nah, no use.
I saw me do them, you know, my peeps.
But him blind.
Use my rod pint, my spear pint,
He treats him, I don't know,
and
he
broke
treats
out
him.
their mouth.
Blind him,
Yeah man, the ocean. That's the barracuda, right? Vibes, boss.
Yeah, they stop. But not the typical big one them we use. So sometimes we have to just give them a break. You see?
Yeah, man.
And sometimes we like the excitement when they come in. Big lag like the gun. So the gun long.
Yeah, man.
I hate man. But this one,
Yeah, man. Oh, yo. Deal with the skinfish, you know? You have a veteran Omar right here. I try. Yeah, a veteran you be a try. Eh? Veteran you cut off your finger. I tell you that thing don't talk, you know, man. You must have a veteran. I cut off your finger.
the boss, I'm going to show you how.
Let's say go on.
How you will get cut when you skin the skin.
See it there now, my peeps. Now them done clean up and thing, looking good. Looking beautiful. Everything done clean up. See it? Barra. Chub, the parrot. Two triggerfish. Snapper and a small jab. Yeah man, we have here now the vibes, boss.
Oh, you mean fresh and clean ready for your pot and your plate.
That is it, man.
What you mean, man? A day and spearfishing.
So yeah, my people, you know, see it. We done, you know. Just time to pack up, you know, and change off and head back home, you know, we'll get some rest. Another day. And we have a young man up the same way, man, the captain. You don't know when he go forward in the water, you know. But you know, him there.
See it,
You guys. Yeah, man. Right bad.
Yeah, man. Skin leg.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, my people, let's continue to support the movement, my peeps, and continue to watch the ads. Yeah, man. Keep the revenue going. So, tomorrow is another day, my peeps. You know what I'm saying? Another adventure. As long as the weather good, my peeps. Yeah, man. And just check out Wang Spearfishing Lifestyle Adventure. Run. Wildlife Adventure, Jamaica vibes. Yeah, man. Check them out, my peeps. Spread the love. Yeah, man. King is back. One Barra King. See?